In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy pictures from eBay listing. By the end, you'll confidently save clear images from a product page to your computer for reference, yarns, comparisons, or your personal records. First, select the product. Head to the eBay website and open the specific listing you're interested in. Make sure you're on the full product page, not just a search results preview. You'll see the main image and usually a row of thumbnails showing different angles. Click the listing to load it fully, then look at the main photo area. If there's an option to enlarge the picture, click it so the image appears bigger and sharper. This helps you save a higher quality version. Take a moment to choose the exact photo you want, front, back, close-up, by selecting the correct thumbnail so it appears as the main image. Next, press the right click on your mouse while your cursor is directly over the image you want. You should see a small menu pop up. If the menu doesn't look image related, make sure your pointer is actually what's in the photo, not on a blank area or a caption. Sometimes eBay shows the image in a viewer. Clicking once to focus on the image first can make the right click menu appear as expected. The goal here is simply to bring up the context menu linked to that picture. Now, click Save Image As. Your computer will open a Save dialog box. Choose the folder where you want to keep the picture. Your desktop, a product research folder, or any organized spot you prefer. Give the file a clear name so you can find it later, like the product model and angle, and leave the file format as it appears by default. eBay may serve images as JPEG, PNG, or another standard format. Confirm the location, then click Save. That's it. If you want more images from the same listing, return to the gallery, switch to the next photo you want, right-click again, and use Save Image as the same way. A few quick pointers as you work. Keeping a dedicated folder and consistent naming makes it easy to compare items or share references. Check the saved image by opening it once to ensure it's clear enough for your needs. And always respect the seller's rights and eBay's policies. Use images appropriately and avoid misrepresenting items in your own listings. To recap, select the product, press the right click on your mouse over the image, and click Save Image As. Follow these steps, and you'll quickly build a tidy set of reference photos from any eBay listing.